In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to Word in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This process is straightforward and allows you to transform your PDF documents into editable Word files, which is incredibly useful for anyone looking to make changes to their documents or simply keep them in a more flexible format. To begin, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. Once you're in, locate the PDF file that you need to convert. You can do this by navigating to the File menu and selecting Open. When your PDF is displayed in Acrobat, you're all set to start the conversion process. Next, turn your attention to the Tools or Options bar. You'll find it at the top of the screen. Here, navigate to Tools and delve into the Export PDF option. Alternatively, you might see a Convert button on the global bar, which serves the same purpose. Clicking this will get you started on the path to changing your PDF into a Word document. Now that you're in the Export pane, it's time to decide the format you prefer. Since we're transforming this into a Word document, look for the Microsoft Word option. Here you'll be prompted to choose between two formats: Word document with a .docx extension or the older Word 97/2003 style, which ends with .doc. The .docx format is more common with recent versions of Word, so unless you specifically need the older format, this is generally the best option to choose. Once you've made your selection, it's time to hit the Export or Convert button depending on the version of Acrobat you're using. For those working with PDFs that are scanned or image-based, Acrobat might take an extra step and perform optical character recognition, commonly known as OCR. This process essentially analyzes the document and recognizes the text, making it editable as it transfers to Word. After all that, you'll be directed to choose a destination folder. This is where your new Word file will be saved. Make sure to pick a location you can easily find later. You'll also need to enter a file name that makes sense to you. Something descriptive, perhaps, so you know exactly what it is when you come back to it later. Once you have that sorted, click Save. In a moment, the newly converted Word file should open automatically in Word if you have it installed on your device. From here, you can dive right in and make all the necessary edits you need. And there you have it. Your PDF is now an editable Word document, all thanks to Adobe Acrobat Pro. Enjoy the ease and flexibility of working with your newly converted documents.